Welcome back! Today we are adding a fully functional bow and arrow to the advanced weapon system. We'll go from setting up the sockets and animations all the way to troubleshooting common blending issues. So let's jump right in. First, let's head into our project and create our arrow blueprint. We'll set up the collision, the mesh, and make sure our projectile movement component is ready to handle our speed and physics. Next up, open up your character's skeletal mesh. We need to add 2 sockets. Name the left-hand socket, bow, and the right-hand grip socket, arrow grip, so everything lines up correctly when drawing the string. Now, if you haven't already, create your montages for drawing, firing, and idle states. Duplicate one of your existing weapon data assets, rename it to bow or archery, and open it up. Then plug in your newly created bow montages. Head over to your bow mesh to make sure you have a muzzle socket configured for the arrow projectile to spawn from. And create a new static mesh reference. You'll need that for the weapon spawner. Open up your main weapons data table, add a brand new row for your bow, and fill out all your damage, scaling, and class settings. Make sure to check no reload, so you won't have to reload every shot. Now let's bring the new weapon configuration into our animation blueprint so the upper body states recognize the bow stance. Right-click on the Blend Poses AWS_type nodes and select Bow. Add your animations to each one. Finally, in your character blueprint, duplicate your weapon selection logic and key press. In the Select Weapon node, update the row number to your new bow data table entry. Here I have it on the 7th row, and set your desired key. Compile and save. Let's run a quick test to see if everything is working correctly. Duplicate one of the weapon spawners and change the weapon row name in the details panels to bow, or whatever your row name is, and press play. If you notice the character isn't facing the right way when aiming, head back into the animation graph, select your layered blend per bone node, and check the box for Mesh Space Rotation Blend in the Details panel. And just like that, everything is working smoothly. And that is pretty much it. With our sockets in place, the data table updated, and that mesh space rotation blend checked in the animation graph, your character is now fully equipped to draw, aim, and loose arrows smoothly on the move. If you ran into any snags or have questions about setting up your own custom weapons, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if this helped you out. Until next time, have fun!